Alright, here is our technology lesson titled The Technology We Use. We're going to be talking about all of the different kinds of technology that we use as humans. This is the video we watch. We see that Jackie said in answer to the free response question, what makes something technology? She said if it was created by people to make life easier, make something more effective. So she participated and also gave a valid answer, which is awesome. On the quiz that she took, she scored a 2 out of 2. On the first question, she answered B, and on the second question, she answered D. She got those all correct, which is awesome. And here's the drawing that she did. It looks like she put computer there to let me know that she was drawing a computer and that was the technology that she was using every day. This is the field trip challenge. So we're looking for all of the different technologies in this field trip, which is great. And then the collaborate board. And Jackie answered, talking about the microwave, and added a picture as I asked. And that's the lesson.